Hello to everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a few weeks now, if not months, that IPC has stopped trading. I think they have stopped trading from the month of March. As you see, I have here more than $700 sitting there, and others have more than me, others have less than me, but we all are in the same boat. We all want our money regardless of the amount. People have been saying that they don't want to put any more money into IPC because IPC scammed them. That is fine. We are all human beings. But as I have said recently in my last video with the title Get Ready, which is this one, in this video, I said that I will do a second video to show you how to get your money out. And this is the video that you are watching right now. In the first video, I have told you that there are steps that we need to take before we are able to withdraw our money. Those steps, some of them, you must have completed them if you watched it, like downloading the app, making the settings, and so on. Now, in today's video, I am just going to show you how you are going to be able to take this money out, the USDT, from your IPC account. The process is a long process, and you have to be ready to commit more money into IPC before you can get your money out, depending on how much money you have in your account. For me personally, I want to make sure that I get all my money back. So I will invest $100 for this. It has worked for other people, and I will do it also. So these are the steps. This process is not for everyone. If you are not willing to invest a little bit more money into the new IPCLOUD app, then this process is not for you. This is how it works. Step 1, download and install the IPCLOUD app. See in my last video, Get Ready, and follow all the steps to complete this. If you are not comfortable using your current mobile phone to do this, please get a burned Android phone. Step 2, go to home page, then click on Deposit tab and deposit minimum 100 USDT from your personal or private wallet exchange. Step 3, go to Discovery tab, then click on IPC mining, then click on Activate, then hit Allow and click on Buy Now. Step 4, click All beside the USDT to select all your invested USDT and click All beside IUSD to select your equivalent USD. Check the box to agree on their sales agreement, terms and conditions. And step 5, enter your transaction password to confirm the purchase. And you will see the message payment successful on the screen. Something very important, the email you have received with your transaction password from the IPCLOUD, do not delete it or write it somewhere safe beside your IPCLOUD password, because you will need this transaction password all the time. When the time comes to withdraw, you will need minimum amount of 10 IPC to withdraw. After the first stage, you will have to wait 24 hours for your IPC token to get released to you, and that is 0.3% daily of your invested amount. The rate of return is between 300 and 500%, which is, I think, a very good percent. For example, you have deposited 100 USDT, you can match to this 100 IUSD, which is explained in the step 4. This will result 200 USDT. Your total IPC token that would be mined, it is minimum 600 IPC. It means 0.3% or 600. It is equal with 1.8 IPC, which is equivalent to whatever the exchange rate will be as at the time. Go to your market tab on your IPCLOUD app to see the current exchange rate. With your 1.8 IPC token, you can now swap for USDT and withdraw to your private or personal wallet. Okay, the next step, how to swap IPC token into USDT and how to withdraw it. As I said, the minimum to withdraw is 10 IPC. We have two options. Option one of swapping your IPC token to USDT. Step one, go to your homepage, select or click IPC from the asset list. Step two, go to your swap tab, choose IPC from the list of hours and select USDT from the list of expected redemption. Swap the IPC to USDT, then click confirm. Option two, go to your discovery tab and select or click swap. Step two, choose IPC and select the second step, select USDT from the list of expected redemption, that is the swapping from IPC to USDT. Step three, then click confirm. Now, withdraw your USDT to your private or personal wallet. Step one, go to your IPCLOUD app homepage. Go to your IPCLOUD app's homepage, select or click USDT from the asset list and choose your network, either TRC20, ERC20 or BIP20. After that, go to your personal or private wallet, copy and paste your USDT wallet address corresponding to your network from the step one above. Click on withdraw, enter your transaction password and confirm. Step 5, wait for your USDT to arrive. It takes less than 30 minutes if the network is not busy. Otherwise, it may take more time to arrive. It can be 5 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours. Just be patient and wait to arrive. I want to show you here in a few examples of the steps. So you go to the tab of Discover, then it will show up IPC mining. Click Activate Now, Buy Now, and here you will put your amount that you have topped up. It can be 100 or whatever. You, as I have mentioned, you paste it here, that all, yes. Now, the second step is to go to USDT, and again, you will click all. Here in available, it will show the amount of USDT that you have in your IPC account. The next step, you will click the agree box. You will click here and confirm purchase. And the next step, it will ask you the transaction password. The transaction password is the same always. That is why I have told you to save that password and do not lose it. Put your transaction password. This is what you will see. And after 24 hours, you will have to see the first 0.3% from your token. So my 5 humble opinion table on this new IPC process. Can you get your money back? Yes, you can, because withdrawals are working with the new IPCLOUD app. Any guarantee that you will get all of your money back? No. Unfortunately, nothing is guaranteed in life. Either you win or lose. Can you compound and make your money back faster? Yes, of course, because you can reinvest at every 100 USDT release. Is this meant for everyone? No, because people don't trust IPC anymore due to the past history, therefore not ready to risk anything more of their hard-earned money. Is it worth the effort? Yes, for me, it is worth the effort because you receive 0.3% daily and it is automated. So this is entirely up to you what you want to do. But this is me telling my team and telling everyone watching this video today that you can get your money back if you are willing to take extra steps. You can get all your money back. So thank you guys. Thank you for listening to me. I hope this video helps you to know step by step how to retrieve your money. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.